G'day there, my name is Lockie and this is my Jimny. This is a video of a little bit of a vlog and my experience with installing the Torqit exhaust for the 2022 Suzuki Jimny. Just a bit of a disclaimer, this is not a tutorial. Torqit have their own tutorial which is super helpful, which I use and I definitely recommend. So yeah, this video is just a bit of my experience installing the exhaust myself. My brother Brad helped me, go check him out on Instagram, and we'll do some sound comparisons at the end to show you what the difference is. Let me introduce you to the team. This is assistant number 1, assistant number 2, and this is the mechanic. Me and mechanic Bradley have just taken our professional audio gear out and given you some demos. So
professional microphone.
You look like a fucking dickhead. All right, now we've finished our tests. Let's chuck the exhaust on. So she's a bit dirty from my drive from Melbourne to Canberra, but got her up on ramps. Got a how many thousand? 3,000 pounds or 3,000
kg. Jesus.
Is that this technical automotive wood?
Yeah.
Who needs a hoist, mate?
Just got me.
On stand. Got the Project EK Civic. Go follow him. ek.slow for some updates. I'm the bloody mechanical apprentice, so I gotta go get his stool. Is this what it's like being an apprentice? Got the goods. How goes it, Bradley? Up to the
Catalytic converter.
get rid of that economical shit, bro.
In the bin.
Yeah, new pipes are quite a bit thicker. 1 3/4 versus 2.5.
Yeah.
So Torqit only sent over 2 gaskets when we need 3. So we're
Improvising.
okay, we're about to put the studs in for the new. Is it a down pipe off the headers?
Maybe.
I'm gonna call it that.
It goes down.
Does go down. So that's the current objective. We just finished our custom gasket.
We've got 2 studs. One here and one here. So that bolts up to the motor. You can see that it's up there. And then we've got the bracket installed on the fuel tank. Take that bolt out, take it out, put it back in with that on top.
2.5 hours since we've started on the car and still going. Currently doing the handbrake cable holder thing. How's it going, Brad?
Fuck this.
You heard it first.
I need a gasket and some bolts.
Going in, mate.
She went in, mate.
What do you reckon, Danny? That sound good? What are you eating? Golf ball? Alright, see ya. Muffler is going in.
I nearly dropped that on my face.
Yeah, that would have been bad, hey? Assistant Danny is eating a Chinese container.
Lovely.
Bloody look at that, mate. First start, go for it, Brad. New exhaust is on. Time for some bloody test, mate. So, all done, exhaust is installed. What do I think? Well, it doesn't add 100 horsepower, but I didn't expect it to. It sounds awesome. It sounds like a race car, sounds like a rally car. It's louder than I expected. I'm about to drive down from Canberra to Melbourne, so I might leave in a pinned comment or something, my experience with driving at 100, 110. So yeah, hope you found this helpful, and like and subscribe and all that stuff if you'd like. Cheers.